In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a video into your Adobe Portfolio site, enhancing your projects with engaging multimedia content. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide so you can showcase your work effectively and effortlessly. To begin with, make your way to portfolio.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your site editor, which serves as a workshop where you can craft and fine-tune your digital portfolio. This is the canvas where your creative work will shine. Next, navigate to the specific page or project where you wish to add your video. Whether it's a portfolio page dedicated to a particular project or a homepage highlight, pinpointing the spot where your video will have the most impact is key. Think about the flow of your content and how this video will complement the narrative of your work. Once you've decided on the perfect location for your video, look for a blue plus sign that says Add Content. Click this button, and from the menu that pops up, select Embed. This feature allows you to bring external video content right onto your page, creating a dynamic and interactive experience for your audience. Now it's time to bring your video into the mix. You have two options: paste the URL from YouTube or Vimeo, or if you have an iframe embed code, you can use that as well. Simply paste your chosen URL or code into the provided field and then press enter. This will instantly place your video into your page, ready for you to adjust and finesse. With your video now embedded, take a moment to resize or move the video block to better fit your page layout. You want the video to integrate seamlessly with the rest of your page design, maintaining a sense of balance and visual appeal. If you wish, you can also add a caption or alt text to provide context or enhance accessibility, ensuring that everyone can appreciate the content you've shared. Once you are satisfied with the placement and appearance of your video, it's time for a very important step: publishing. Click Publish at the top right of your screen to push these changes live. After that, it's advisable to test your site to ensure everything is working smoothly. Open your live site and test the video playback for both desktop and mobile views, as this will give you a comprehensive picture of how your audience will experience your content. This process not only enriches your portfolio with engaging video content, but also strengthens your connection with viewers by showcasing your work through multiple media formats. Now, with these tips, you can confidently add dynamic videos to your Adobe Portfolio, leaving a lasting impression.